One of our latest features is the monthly recurring investments. Very exciting ito because it allows for automatic investing. You only need to register one time and then every month, Ramper Online will invest for you. Hello mga ka-RFF, kamusta po kayo? My name is Enro Mendoza from Ramper Financials. If you're new here, welcome. Sana nagugustuhan nyo yung mga videos namin. We aim to educate and to guide you towards financial freedom and the success that you define for yourself. So, for today's video, alam ko, hinihintay nyo tong follow-up video ng aking walkthrough video. If you haven't watched that, please click this link above. That's the walkthrough video of our Ramper Online. Ramper Financials' newest fully digital investment platform so you can start investing in mutual funds. Ang kagandahan nito, dahil fully digital siya, you can monitor your portfolio anytime, anywhere. And by the way, we have a lot of funds for you. Yun ang ating second agenda. Yung first agenda is a follow-up to that walkthrough video, how to add to your investment. And then the second one is titingnan natin yung mga iba't ibang produkto sa Ramper Online. Ano ba itong mga funds? Parang ang dami. I want to help you and guide you para mapili kung ano yung funds na nararapat sa'yo. Ano ba yung feel mo na funds? Gusto mo ba local or global? Medyo conservative ka ba? So, mas gusto mo conservative funds like bond funds or money market funds. Tapos, titingnan na natin yung mga moderate funds like balance funds up to the aggressive. So, yun yung gagawin natin for today's video. Okay, so ating first topic ay ang follow-up ng walkthrough video. Earlier, I talked about how to create an account, what is Ramper all about, how to verify your account and apply for a client application, up to making your first investment. Now that you have your first investment, how do you actually diversify? How do you even add to your portfolio? Yun ang ating gagawin ngayon. And one of our latest features is the monthly recurring investments. Very exciting ito because it allows for automatic investing. You only need to register one time and then every month, Ramper Online will invest for you. Ang ganda nun, di ba? Kasi automatic na siya, automated na, hindi mo na kailangan pag-isipan. What you need to do na lang is to receive the confirmation emails every month. Yun yung gagawin natin for today's video. Okay, nandito na tayo sa Ramper Online dashboard ko. Again, this is a demo portfolio. But as you can see, since I started this when the market was lower, meron na akong returns of 3.33%. Ang ganda, di ba? Because it's fully digital, it's online, you can access your portfolio anytime, anywhere. Okay, simula na tayo. As you can see, up top, you will see my portfolio highlights. I have a total of 5 funds. I have over 90,000 market value sa aking portfolio. And as of today, I have 3.33% in terms of my returns. Ang ganda, di ba? Let's see the breakdown of that summary. Sabi ko kanina, I have 5 funds. So these are my 5 funds. I have Phil Equity Fund. I have Call Strategic Growth Equity Fund. I have Sun Life Prosperity Philippine Stock Index Fund. I have Atram Philippine Equity Opportunity Fund. And I have Sun Life Prosperity World Equity Index Feeder Fund. So yan, meron akong 5 funds. But you might be watching this video kasi nag-invest ka pa lang one time. This is a portfolio that can show you how it looks like pag more than one fund ka na. These are the cards, no, for our funds. But as you can see, meron pa tayong features in Ramper Online where you can see the performance and the breakdown of your funds. Makita natin yan ngayon. So look at the investment performance. This is the current performance of all of my funds. So as you can see, hindi pa ako masyadong nag-add pero this is mostly driven by market performance. But if you see here, if I keep adding to my portfolio, tataas lang to ng tataas. Yan ang kagandahan ng Ramper Online. And then, on the right-hand side, you will see a pie graph. This pie graph is very important so that you can see how your market value is divided. Very color coordinated too from our providers. So as you can see, majority of my funds are split between these three funds, no? So we have Sun Life World Equity Index Feeder Fund, we have Atram Philippine Equity Opportunity Fund, and we have our COL Strategic Growth Equity Fund. If you notice, the funds that I have currently are all medyo for an aggressive investor. So that's important. You need to know yourself, diba? Through the client application, we will assess your risk profile so that we can also recommend funds according to your risk appetite. That's very important. So, as I mentioned, I wanted to add to my Phil Equity Fund. And I also mentioned at the start of this video na meron tayong bagong feature sa Ramper Online. This is the monthly recurring investments. This is very powerful because it allows you to practice disciplined investing without the hassle, di ba? Hassle-free feature ito for our Ramper Online clients. Okay, you will see on the left-hand side, meron na tayong recurring investments tab. You will see here na meron akong recurring investments sa aking Phil Equity Fund kasi I want to build up nga my portfolio on Phil Equity. And this is a actively managed fund. So currently, ang aking naka-register is 1,000, diba? And ang schedule ko is first of the month. This means that Ramper Online will invest on my behalf every month. Para ako, titingnan ko na lang kung na-invest ba talaga yung investment through my confirmation emails. Diba? And the status of this is active. So I will show you how to register to a monthly recurring investment. So balik tayo sa ating dashboard. So for today, I will show you how to make an additional investment on Ramper Online. There are two ways. One is you want to add to an existing investment. Meron na kayong fund na ininvestan before and then mag-additional investment lang kayo. The other part is maybe you want to diversify your portfolio. Gusto mo, may iba kang fund na ini-investan. We will do that as well. Let's do that second one first. Let's say you only have one fund currently. Kunyari, for example, in my portfolio, I'm only investing in Phil Equity Fund so far. All I need to do is to click this Invest Now button sa upper right-hand side to see the other recommended funds for me. So as I mentioned, medyo aggressive investor nga ako. So yung recommendation sa akin ni Ramper Online are aggressive instruments. So these are the funds recommended to me. So for example, since meron na akong 5 aggressive funds, I want to invest in a fund that I don't have yet. So let's say I want to invest in this Phil Equity Alpha 1 fund para tumaas rin yung portfolio ko sa Phil Equity. I will click Learn More so that I learn more about this fund. Okay, ito yung gusto ko sa fund na to. It invests in primarily small to middle capitalized equity securities. Ito yung mga high potential for growth. Kaya ang tawag sa kanya is Alpha 1 Fund. Diba? Strong growth potentials. So I want to add to this investment. These are the other details which are available in the fund page. As you know, based on the walkthrough video, may mga documents rin dito where you can see yung ating prospectus and the latest fund fact sheet. So, we get this from our partners and we always update this on a monthly basis para kita nyo yung latest details about the fund, the decision making about its management, and even yung mga latest holdings nitong fund na to. Okay, ready na ako mag-invest sa Alpha 1 Fund. I will click Invest Now. So again, this is a similar experience to your first investment. Very easy, just 3 steps. All you need to do first is to enter the amount that you want to invest. So let's say, gusto ko ang lakihan ng aking Phil Equity. So, gagawin kong 10,000. So as you can see here, no, may limitations tayo. So your investment needs to be between 1,000 and 500,000. Hindi tayo makaproceed. Hindi natin makita yung future instructions for our payment if it's not within those lines. Okay, gusto ko 10,000. And you will proceed to the next part, which is transferring the payment for your investment. As you can see, very easy, no? All digital ang ating mga payment platforms. So whether you use your Union Bank app, you can even do e-wallets, no? Like GCash or Maya, and any of your favorite bank that uses InstaPay or PesoNet. Now, for the ones na hindi masyadong digital, gusto pa rin over the counter, we can do that as well. go to any Union Bank branch and just put in the details of Ramper Financials. All of those details nandito sa Ramper Online. So for my case, I want to use GCash kasi very convenient ang GCash and may pera rin naman ako sa aking GCash wallet. So I want to use that today. So I'll click on GCash and nandito ang ating payment instructions. As you can see, very detailed and specific to GCash. Ito yung mga instructions niya including the payment confirmation that Ramper Online requires. So ito yung sample, no? Isi-screenshot natin and send to Ramper Online. So let's just say, since sample lang naman to, I already transferred using my phone, using GCash to pay for my Ramper Online investment. I will take a screenshot of that, upload it to my laptop, and put it in Ramper Online. So all I need to do is upload the payment confirmation and invest in the fund. Again, this takes 2 to 3 banking days because we will first book the investment on the next business day. And then once we get your confirmation details from our partners, like the number of shares you acquired, the effective NAVPS, we will upload it in Ramper Online so that we can send you an email on your confirmation details. Kaya po 2 to 3 business days. However, we always process your investment within the next business day. Now, that was the first way, no? Adding to your investment, but a different fund. Now, this is the exciting part. How to add to your investment na existing and using monthly recurring investment feature. So, ang gusto kong gawin ngayon is to add to my Call Strategic Growth Equity Fund as a sample. Okay, so all I need to do is from my dashboard, I will click add kasi itong fund yung gusto kong i-add. You will see here, no, that you have 2 options. One is monthly recurring investments, which is currently naka-beta tayo. Since we're testing the feature, we're seeing how we can refine and improve the experience. But we fully launched it already para ma-experience nyo mga Ramper Online clients. The second one naman is one-time investment. Kasi baka naman hindi monthly recurring investment yung gusto mo, you're not yet ready for that. You can make a one-time investment which goes through the same payment process as we did earlier. So, I will choose monthly recurring investments for this video. As you can see here, no, automatically invest in your chosen fund every month, powered by BPI Online and e-add. Automatically invest in your chosen fund every month, powered by BPI Online Auto Debit. So that's one thing, no? You need to have a BPI Online for this feature to work. Because it's powered by BPI e-ADA, we need to register your BPI Online account with Ramper Online para we can debit from your account every month and invest for you. Okay? So I will click proceed and we will be led to this page. No, we wanted to create this page para maintindihan nyo talaga what Ramper Online monthly recurring investments is all about. So as you can see here, no, it makes you enjoy hassle-free investing, di ba? Automate your investment journey with Ramper Online. And we have 3 benefits to this. One is automated investing because yun nga, register once and we will invest for you every month. Next is peso cost averaging. This is very important because it will make you practice disciplined investing. Whether the market is going up or the market is going down, we will invest regardless. It will allow you to actually purchase more shares when the market goes down. So, this is peso cost averaging for you. As a result, you can see your compounding returns over time. Kanina napakita ko sa dashboard yung ating increasing portfolio value, di ba? You will enjoy that with monthly recurring investments because we will just keep investing on a monthly basis. Whether the market is up or down, you will just keep investing and you will see your portfolio grow over time. Versus, isang beses ka lang nag-invest at yung investment mo, depende na lang sa market movements, di ba? Ayaw natin yun. Gusto natin, we keep investing, we practice disciplined investing so that once we hit our life goals, we can enjoy our hard-earned money. Everyone wants that. Just register once and automatically add to your investment every month. So here's how it works. Ito yung overview, but very detailed ang ating instructions on the next pages. First, enter your investment schedule, register your BPI Online account, and agree to the terms and conditions. We will confirm your registration and book your investments every month. Just make sure your BPI account is live and funded. Yun ho yung important ha. Before we are able to debit from your account, dapat funded yung BPI online account ninyo because we won't be able to make the investments without us getting from your account. So we also have quick FAQs for this feature. So all of that you can see here. So ready na ako. Ready na ako to make my monthly recurring investments in call. Okay, so proceed to our monthly recurring investment. So very simplified ang ating steps dito. We made it into 3 steps also. So first is enter your investment preferences. This is where we get your investment amount, how much every month yung ating kakaltasin sa inyong BPI online account so that we can make your investment on your behalf. Number 2 is the fund name, based on which fund you clicked add on, 'di ba? Ito may kita nyo. Currently, we have our Call Strategic Growth Equity Fund. And then lastly, yung schedule. We made it easy for you para 2 options tayo. Every 1st of the month ba? Or every 16th of the month. So for this purpose, I want every 1st of the month. And for my investment amount, baka hindi pa ako ready na 20,000 every month. Baka gusto ko 2,000 lang. This button naman, it's just a recommendation based on my previous investment. So since yung first investment ko kasi was 20,000, it recommended that for me. But again, di pa ako ready na every month 20,000, 2,000 muna. So note lang na if the date falls on a weekend or holiday, we will book your investment on the next business day. Okay? So okay na ako sa aking investment preferences. I'll go on to the next. Now this is the important part, lalo na if this is your first monthly recurring investment. So this is the second step, which is very important. Registering your BPI online account. As you can see here, very detailed instructions, and we also have iGuides to guide you on performing this. So if you click the iGuide, meron tayong preview picture. And every step, meron tayong preview picture. So as you can see here, very visual. So you can see if you're on the right page, if you're clicking the right buttons, you can use these iGuides for registering in BPI. So, yun yung kagandahan ng Ramver Online. We really made it as simple as possible because we know that this might be a difficult process for a lot of people. So, let's do this. First is go to BPI Auto Debit Arrangement. Yan. So, medyo we just need to go outside Ramver Online, but you only need to do this one time. Okay, so now we are in the BPI Auto Debit page. Now, we need to look for Ramver Online. So search here in the billers, Ramver Online. Yeah, so we saw the Ramver Online option and we need to click this to authorize Ramver Online to debit from our account. As you can see, may mga terms and conditions lang. You need to scroll until the bottom. Very important, you won't be able to proceed, So I've already covered this, terms and conditions. I will click I agree to the terms and conditions so that I can continue. Okay. So I am enrolling to Ramver Online. I need to put a reference number and all I need to do is put in my Ramver Online account number, which here in the instructions, we already automated it. We already pulled it up for you. So every client is different. All you need to do is to click this, copy reference number. It will be the 10-digit number after RF. Diba? So for me, this is my reference number. 0000000, and then the last 2 numbers is 26. So all I need to do is copy nga, and it's copied already for me. So I'll put this in, paste, para from our backend we can see that you have registered successfully in BPI Online. I'll click next. So it will be contacting BPI, and I will need to log in to my BPI account. Ayan, so you will be logging into your BPI account. For the purposes of this video, I won't go through this process anymore, but I will take you through the instructions. So all you need to do from that page is enter your username and password, and you might have multiple accounts in your BPI Online account. You just need to choose which one we will be debiting from. So whether that's your savings account or your current account, you need to select that. Again, very important. Note here, this account must be funded for us to debit and book your investment. And then from there, it will be sending a one-time PIN wherein you need to enter this to confirm that you are the account owner. Diba? So this is how it looks like, no? You will need to enter the one-time PIN to your registered mobile number. Magsisend yan sa mobile number nyo. And then lastly, a successful page will be displayed to confirm your registration. So again, if you don't have this successful page, it means you weren't able to register. You need to complete all of these instructions first to proceed for your monthly recurring investments on Rampver Online. So this is how it looks like. Once you see this page, it means successful na. Nakapag-register na kayo yung inyong BPI online account with Rampver Online. So once you've done that, in order to proceed, I need to tick this box saying I have successfully registered my BPI account with Rampver's auto debit arrangement. Since I've ticked that, I can click next. Ang last process here is just confirming my investment preferences and my schedule. So yan, investment amount is 2,000 to call Strategic Growth Equity Fund. And then my schedule is every first of the month. Okay, so meron rin tayong terms for this. Yan, so you will see here, read very carefully. May mga definition of terms tayo dito. Investment timelines, registration, transaction, and modification limits. Yung mga suspension, so I mentioned very important that it needs to be funded. And just acknowledgement of the monthly recurring investment terms. Okay, so I'm okay with these investment terms. And I can click submit. So for the purposes of this video, I won't click submit. But once you've clicked submit, we can process it already from our backend. Very, very simple, ang ating monthly recurring investments. Again, this is still on beta. We're still currently familiarizing and testing, but it's already fully functional, meaning you can register your monthly recurring investments. Exciting, diba? This is one of the newest features. And again, our commitment to you is we want to be able to improve Rampver Online further, release more features, release more products, have more partners on board to really address all of your financial needs. Now, this is the second half of our video. What are the funds available on Rampver Online? I will take you through the different types of funds from our different fund providers. Ano ba yung mga strategy nitong funds na to? Alin ba yung fund na para sa'yo? Whether you're an aggressive investor, a conservative investor, or maybe a moderate risk investor. May kita nyo, in your Rampver Online page, ang daming different funds. First is the recommended funds based on your risk profile. Next is you will see all of the funds in the other tab, which covers all of the funds whether you're aggressive, moderate, or conservative. Now you might be asking which fund is the right fund for you. Hopefully this video will answer your questions. So first, let's cover the aggressive funds. Ang dami kasing types of aggressive funds on Rampver Online. In terms of risk profiles, ang dami nating aggressive funds. This is the most compared to conservative or moderate. Okay, so under aggressive, we have different types. First, let's discuss the feeder funds. So here, we have a global fund which is Sun Life World Equity Index Feeder Fund. Ang ibig sabihin ng feeder fund ay it invests in a target fund that invests in the global companies that we know. Top holdings niya ay Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Meta, and Alphabet. Diba? So these are the technology funds that are booming currently. You can invest globally using Philippine pesos. So that is why maganda itong World Equity Index Feeder Fund. Next, we have our index funds. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng index funds? Now, ang ibig sabihin ng index fund is, for example, sa local Philippine stock market, ang index fund is you invest in the 30 biggest companies in the Philippines. So companies like SM, Globe, Ayala, Jollibee, the biggest banks, these are the ones that you're investing in, meaning blue chip companies na sila. So we actually have 3 index funds in the platform, So currently we have Call Equity Index Fund, we have PhilEquity PSC Index Fund, and we have Sun Life Prosperity Philippine Stock Index Fund. Now, for our aggressive investors, meron rin tayong actively managed funds na based on objectives naman. So, meron tayong Alpha 1 Fund from PhilEquity. Ang ibig sabihin ng Alpha ay you look at the small to mid-cap companies that have high potential for growth. So, this is very aggressive, but at the same time, higher growth potential. Next is a dividend fund. This is from PhilEquity again. This is the PhilEquity Dividend Yield Fund. Ang target naman nito is to invest in companies that is able to provide regular dividends for its investors. However, yung mga dividends, they're not paid out directly to your bank account. What happens is the dividends that the fund earns, it gets reinvested into the fund so that you will see na lang the value of your fund increase. Next is the strategic growth or equity opportunity funds. These are actively managed funds to look at the best growth opportunities in the market. So we have a few in Ramper Online. We have Call Strategic Growth Fund. We have Atram Philippine Equity Opportunity Fund. And we have Sun Life Prosperity Philippine Equity Fund. And then we have PhilEquity Fund. And then lastly, meron rin tayong MSCI na fund. Again, this is from PhilEquity, MSCI Philippines Index Fund. So what is MSCI? So this is designed to measure the performance of large and mid-cap segments of the Philippine market. So again, this is not just blue chip companies, which is the large cap. Meron rin tayong large to mid-cap in this MSCI index. Next, we go into the conservative funds naman. So sa ating conservative funds, very easy. Meron tayong bond funds and money market funds. So ang ating bond funds invest in whether corporate or government securities. We have Atram Corporate Bond Fund. We have PhilEquity Peso Bond Fund. We have Sun Life Bond Fund and Sun Life GS Fund. So these are the bond funds on Ramper Online. Next, we have money market. Money market funds are funds that invest in money market instruments. Ang objective rin dito is to outperform your bank savings, no? So instead of putting your money in the bank, wherein short term nga, very liquid, you can put in mutual funds as well, which is very short term for conservative investors. And then lastly, we have for our moderate risk profile clients. Ito naman, moderate funds. And here, these are all balanced funds. Balanced meaning medyo may cut siya of equities and cut siya of conservative instruments like money market instruments and bonds as well. We have Atram Philippine Balance Fund. We have Sun Life Prosperity Balance Fund. And then lastly, we have Atram Unicapital Diversified Growth Fund. So for this fund, medyo semi-global siya. It has global equities in terms of diversification. So if you want to go global, this is another option for you. If you align with this risk appetite and you align on the strategic objective of this fund. So that ends the second part of our video. Baka medyo lengthy ang ating video for today. For the first part, we did how to make an additional investment on Ramper Online, and very exciting, we discussed monthly recurring investments that allows you to just register once and we will invest for you every month, diba? Practice disciplined investing. And the second part was kind of discussing what are the different funds available on Ramper Online from our 4 very credible and reputable partners. Again, they are Atram, they are CMI funds from Call Financial, they are Sun Life funds, and they are PhilEquity funds. So these are 4 of our great partners, very credible, very reputable. So if you like this video, if you found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps us, it helps the channel reach more people, reach more Filipino investors. And don't forget to subscribe, diba? Subscribe down below. Hit that notification bell as well so that you're updated on our latest videos. If I missed something or if you have further questions, please comment down below and we will address them right away. Again, my name is Enro Mendoza from Ramper Financials, empowering you for financial success. Cheers mga ka-RFF!